Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to watch your YouTube videos floating in Windows. So let's go to YouTube first. Sorry, not YouTube. Just open your browser and write here picture in picture extension. Now click on the second link, picture in picture extension by Google. Just add to this Chrome, this option. Click on add extension. Okay, now go here and pin it. You will find here your desired picture in picture. Now go to YouTube. Choose any video you want to play, background your YouTube, Windows, like this. Okay, now click on this extension. You can see that it's here. Okay, so yeah guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.